Hello and welcome to a brand new video. You're watching Gadgets Wheel, and in today's video we'll be presenting to you some 12 amazing gadgets, which will blow your mind. And if you want to purchase any of the products which will be showed in this video, the links are in the description. Let's get started. Keep watching until the end, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Number 1. Frying Pan. Due to its ultimate utility, the bare frying pan should be part of your kitchen too, because we know you're struggling with frying ingredients because you lack the proper equipment, which is why frying is never an easy task in your kitchen. So, simply grab this frying pan as it can do the job with ease. Its non-stick material makes it extremely easy for you to fry ingredients and clean the pan. Simply place your ingredients in the frying pan, cover the top with its lid, and turn the frying pan on, and in minutes, you will have your ingredients fried. All will be done with ease and neatness. Number 2. Juicer. Do you love fresh juices, but cannot make them part of your life because you got nothing to juice out fruits and vegetables? Then don't worry, because 𝐏𝐫𝐴 presents to you their incredible juicer, which is perfect for your juice making tasks. Simply cut your ingredients into appropriate sizes, put them into the juicer and turn it on. Gently push the ingredients down the lid and get your ingredients juiced out. This juicer has an amazing easy-to-clean design, anti-drip nozzle, 2 modes of running, juice and pulp separation along with filterless design. So, get this gadget in your kitchen and add that healthy touch to your life. Number 3. Electric Lunchbox. If you are a workaholic and are always flooded with work to a point that you forget taking care of your meals, then this electric lunchbox by Bear is just something you need. Simply top it up with water, which will be used to heat and prepare your ingredients for you while at work. Adjust the settings and temperatures to your preferences and get your food prepared. So, get this gadget part of your life and bring easiness to your life. Number 4. Electric Travel Kettle. If you are a tea or coffee lover, but if due to your excessive traveling you lack the availability of tea and coffee, then all you need is get this foldable electric kettle. With its amazing foldable design, this electric kettle fits in the tiniest place in your luggage. Whenever you need it, simply pull it out to form a full comprehensive kettle and use it to your needs, and once done, simply fold it and put it in your luggage. This is how easy it is to use this kettle. Number 5. Wall-mounted holders. If you've always been inspired by the idea of cooking extensively, then it's pretty much obvious that you need space to store countless number of ingredients. But hang on, storage is a problem? Then don't worry, because this wall mounting holder is the perfect pick for you. You can simply attach them to the wall with their brilliant sticky holding clips and label each holder with the relevant ingredient. Once it's mounted, simply slide open and close to use your ingredients and things will work out very well, because storing things will not be an issue anymore. Number 6. Cutting mats. In order to cut ingredients well, you need some space where you can freely use your knife. But you can't do that on your countertop because that way, you will end up spoiling your counter. So therefore, what you need are these colored, flexible cutting mats. They come in various sizes, which means they will fit your counters easily and give you the freedom of cutting anything with ease. Simply put them on the counter and start the cutting sessions on them. With their high-quality, flexible and durable material, these cutting mats are meant to last long with you. Number 7. Mixer. Ever wanted to cook great tastes, but you are always confined due to lack of equipment? Then take a deep breath and get this mixer, which will do all the work for you with ease. Simply put your ingredients into the mixer and adjust the mixing speed with the dial on the side. Once turned on, it will prepare your ingredients in no time and make the work great for you. Number 8. Air Fryer. Many people around the world want to have snacks, but they cannot as the excessive oil violates their health and fitness principles. But this air fryer by 𝐵𝐸 is the perfect solution to this problem, because with all the wide spectrum of settings with which this fryer comes, you can enjoy preparing snacks and ingredients to your preferences while keeping your health and fitness in mind. Number 9. Breakfast Station. There is no denying that breakfast is all about eggs, bread and sausages, right? But are you that one person who doesn't like to deal with countless number of pans and utensils in the morning? Then what you need is a breakfast station. because be it eggs, breads, or any other things to fry. This breakfast station is capable of doing it all. With a little bit of preferred adjustments and touches, you will be able to prepare some tasty breakfast meals in no time. Number 10. Waffle Maker. Did you ever feel to make waffles, but you could not because you didn't have the correct equipment to make it? Then why do you even worry when Dash has its waffle maker in the markets? Simply get this waffle maker and you will be free from the worries of making waffles. Make your dough, pour it in the waffle maker and close the lid. In a matter of minutes, you will have some perfectly shaped and cooked waffles prepared, and then you simply have to serve them and enjoy their taste. Number 11. Food Dehydrator Machine. Do you love consuming dried food? Maybe because it has countless benefits, but unfortunately, you can't readily make it because you lack the equipment. Then get ready to see this incredible food dehydrator, which does a great job in dehydrating your ingredients. Simply clean your ingredients and place them in the dehydrator. Adjust the temperature and other settings according to your preferences, and within minutes, your ingredients will be dehydrated easily and you will have some healthy food to consume. The food dehydrator can also help a lot in making various tasty meals, and with 50+ online recipes coming as complimentary, you can enjoy some great tastes. Number 12. Kettle and Toaster. Tea is one of the most famous drinks around the world, which means making it is common practice in every home worldwide. But not everyone likes the idea of having tea, because making tea is alone a troubling process. But that's because of the lack of gadgets. So to solve this problem, you should get the Gourmet 7 toaster and kettle to make the process of making tea simpler. And of course, tea cannot be served alone. And hence, the toaster will help you make sandwiches which will go hand in hand with the fantastic tea you make. Gourmet 7 is a package that you must have in your kitchen if you belong to a house where having tea multiple times a day is common practice. So these were some amazing gadgets which we had compiled for this video. If you believe that we forgot to include any gadgets which deserve to be part of our video, then feel free to suggest them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and ring the bell icon to stay tuned. See you next time.